ये बहुत ही आपने बहुत ही प्यारा सवाल पूछ लिया आपने, क्योंकि ये हम दोनों ही, आदिल और मैं, बहुत डिस्कस करते थे कि हमने वर्कशॉप्स किए बॉम्बे में, हमारे पास स्क्रिप्ट थी, तो एक कैरेक्टर का फाउंडेशन और ढांचा बना हुआ था, हमें जो दिया गया था कि दिस इज वेयर यू बिगिन फ्रॉम एंड नाउ मेक इट योर ओन। और हमने काफी मेहनत की, काफी हमने वर्कशॉप्स किए, रिहर्सल्स किए टू अंडरस्टैंड शागोर एंड रंजीत एंड देयर रिलेशनशिप एंड वेयर दे कम फ्रॉम। बट जब तक हम कोलकाता नहीं पहुंचे, जब तक हमारे कदम यहाँ नहीं आए, वहां का पानी नहीं पिया, वहां का हवा नहीं चखा, तब तक हमें समझ में नहीं आया कि एग्जैक्टली ये पार्ट्स क्या है। और हमारी शूट स्टार्ट होने से आई थिंक 2-3 दिन पहले हम पहुंच गए थे, और हम सड़कों पे सिर्फ घूमते थे, कहीं चाय पीते थे, कहीं जाके बैठ जाते थे, कहीं खाना खाते थे, और हम घूम रहे थे सड़कों पे। और बस उन 2-3 दिनों में ही, आप सोचिए अगर हमने 2-3 महीने अगर वहां गुजार लिए होते तो पता नहीं क्या ही होता, पर उन 2-3 दिनों में हम समझ गए कि अच्छा, जो हमारे पास सामने लाइन लिखी हुई है उसे पढ़ने का तरीका अलग हो गया, उसे सुनने का तरीका अलग हो गया, उसका एक लहजा ही अलग हो गया, क्योंकि हम वैसे लोगों को देख रहे थे।
Everything Kolkata has a different taste to it. और वो एनर्जी में है, उसके सिटी की एनर्जी में, which got onto us and suddenly it gave us a way. And that worked beautifully.
वहाँ वक्त अलग चल रहा है। जैसे आदिल बहुत प्यार से कहते हैं कि इन्होंने कहीं सुना है कि कोलकाता अपने वक्त से
100 साल पीछे और 100 साल आगे, दोनों एक साथ हैं।
So it's basically the presence and absence of time is the sense of time there. It has no sense of time and completely is ridden with time also. तो वो जब एनर्जी हमारे अंदर आ गई, तब हमें शागोर और रंजीत अपने आप समझ में आ गए। वहाँ का खाना, वहाँ का पानी पीते ही एक मुस्कान आ जाती है आपकी शक्ल पे, चाहे आप कितने ही जैसे कैरेक्टर्स हम प्ले कर रहे हैं, कितने भी वायलेंट हो, वो हो, आप देखेंगे शो में थ्रू आउट इन दोनों की शक्ल पे मुस्कान हमेशा रहती है, जब तक गुस्सा नहीं हो जाते। तो वो मुस्कान हमें वहां से मिली, और वो जो एक लथार्जी इन द वॉकिंग है, वो भी पेस हमें वहां से
मिली।
करेक्ट, वॉक हमें कोलकाता पहुंच के समझ में आया कि अच्छा ये होना चाहिए। तो शहर का तो बहुत ही बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहा है टू बिल्ड दीज कैरेक्टर्स।
Why not thinking about it?
Okay.
You know, I'll tell you, initially, when I was transiting from a radio jockey to an actor, my voice was being a problem for me, which I understood in a while. Because radio voice is everything. And there's a certain way that radio jockeys speak, because again, people are just listening to you. And then that stays with you. तो मैं जैसे अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं उस टाइम पर ऐसे बात नहीं करता था, मैं उस टाइम पर ऐसे बात करता था, क्योंकि या फिर इस तरीके से बात करता था, क्योंकि वो एक आपका तरीका बन जाता है। But eventually, when I got into acting, I realized that I need to unlearn that and break that. You know, so this is what my teachers also told me, that you have a good voice and you don't need to flaunt it. I mean, no matter how ever you speak, people will know that you have a good voice. So, breaking that, unlearning that, and giving less importance to the fact that people like my voice probably helped me as an actor. क्योंकि अदरवाइज मैं स्टक हो रहा था उसमें, और वो इतना सबकॉन्शियसली आता था ना कि आई वुड नॉट इवन रियलाइज कि आई एम टॉकिंग लाइक दिस। समझ में नहीं आता। नाउ आई कैन स्विच, तो मैं आपसे ऐसे बात करते करते ऐसे भी बात कर सकता हूं।
But it's actually a very good thing, because you know he knows how to use his voice, how to modulate, how to, with, like you said, weaponize. I guess you know it's a very big part of acting. To how to be able to use your voice, your breath, and everything is a very important part of it. So I'm sure that helped.
Yeah, it definitely.
Hannah? So you know, I have not studied acting. I have never done theatre, nothing. It actually was like the best coincidence of my life, I suppose, you know, that I got discovered. And I was modeling in Delhi, and because Sudhir was looking for this girl, Geeta Rao, and they hadn't found, and Swanand Kirkire, you know, at that time was his assistant doing all the auditions, and also I owe him a lot for working with me and making me give a good audition. So वो वहाँ से ऐसे शुरू हुआ। तो honestly मेरी learning has been, and the one thing that Sudhir told me when I started shooting, because I was so lost, you know, like KK would talk about emotional graphs and characterization, and I'm working on this and that. All actors were so good, you know, and I felt so lost. So I told Sudhir one day, and I said, you know, like, I don't know what to do. So he's like, that's the best thing, because all you will do in the scene is react. I don't want you to act. So it was such a beautiful thing. I just hung on to that one line, and I'm like, okay, So there's nothing missing in me. There's nothing that I'm lacking. It's all good, you know. So he told me that, and I got a chance to work with Shabana ji in a film later, and then I was discussing with her, and Baman was also there, and so we were discussing that how I've not gone to, you know, haven't studied acting and all that. So I was asking them, so you know, that's what Shabana ji said. She said the problem with studying acting is that first you learn, and then you have to unlearn.
Correct.
Yeah.
So she said you're in the best place because you haven't learned and you won't have to unlearn because it's a longer process.
Yeah.
So I feel for every actor, they have their own method, you know, which works for them because personalities are different. We are emotionally different, you know, like strung differently.
Yeah.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि even today I'm as nervous when a scene comes. I'm just as lost. I'm being very honest here. There's no process to it. The only thing that I feel
But that's the fun part of it. If you know everything, then what's the fun?
Correct.
That's the fun part of it. Also, you're an open book in the sense, Acha, the director wants this. Oh, it's written this way. Or the writer's done. The only thing that I try and every time find is slightly newer energy to every character. If there is, you know, her character ki ek rhythmic energy hoti hai. I think that's the only thing that you have to learn every time.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm unlearning anything. I think I'm just, staying as, how do you say, I don't know, vacant every time as possible. Yeah.
You know, very honestly, I'm starting to think about it now while promoting the show. Because when we got onto the show, I definitely said, yes, I want to be a part of this because I had seen Bihar chapter and I really liked it. But after getting onto the show, not for a second, I think it ever crossed my mind that, okay, Bihar chapter was a big deal, you know, like it's one of the most successful shows. A lot of people across the world have watched it. So you're going to be part of a very successful. It was completely wiped out of my brain because the moment we read the scripts, we knew how fresh this is. You know, this world has never been explored before in Hindi cinema. Even if it has, very minutely, not at this scale, you know. Nobody's made a 7-hour long documentation about the underbelly of Kolkata. And so that the texture is new, the characters are new, there's freshness to the story, there's freshness to the treatment, and the people who are making it have such unique perspectives of how they want to show it. So it was absolutely wiped out. But जैसे ही release के आसपास हम promote करने लग गए और अभी मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है कि भाई बिहार chapter बहुत बड़ा show था, लोग देख ले हमारा वाला season बस. It's playing now, but more than anything else, hearing everybody now that the show is released and everybody's
Trending
talking about
number
it.
1, by the way.
Yeah. Now that we are hearing these things, we are at peace. Actually.
Absolutely. I mean, most of my scenes are with him. Most
And
of
vice
his
versa.
scenes are with me. So we created our own thing, and again, most of it was not planned. It happened because we were in the process and we were involved. We were in it, and hence there was a very interesting language that we kind of developed between us, which translated in the show as well.
Okay.
So yes, definitely. I mean, yesterday he couldn't come in one of the activities, and I was telling him that in this space, now in Khaki space, I just felt lost because you were not there. So because I mean, we have been in it. It's been more than a year that
over a year now.
we've been
We
working
spent so much time,
on Khaki. So in this project, for this particular thing, it's like things are incomplete if he's not there. So we developed that kind of language together. But again, working with the names that you're taking, we're talking about Jeet Da or Shashwat Da, Prasenjit Da. These guys are such amazing people. They're not just fantastic actors, but they're also such humble human beings. And they have such strong brotherly energy.
Yeah.
And they're always there to guide,
Very
to
secure
help. Very
actors,
secure,
you know.
very relaxed,
Yeah.
very helpful. You know, when we are shooting the scenes together, so they're taking care of us also when, you know, mera shot laga hua hai. So sitting there and giving their cues and performing there also when they are not in front of the camera. So, I mean, per se did not feel the need of having a safe space like that because the overall space was very, very
comforting.
safe, secured and fun. But yeah, definitely because Ritwik and I have that kind of bond which is beyond just Sagar and Ranjit, but it's also Adil and Ritwik. So yeah, that can't be compared.
And very ironically, because throughout the show, our characters also were like, it's us against the world.
Yeah,
It's the two of them
Correct.
versus everybody.
Correct.
So when you're carrying that mind space, you also happen to, in between takes, just stay in your bubble. Like the two of us only used to spend time with each other. It is them who made the effort to come forward,
Yes.
befriend us, make us comfortable. क्योंकि वैसे भी when you work with stalwarts, the first thing in your head is that कि यार बड़े लोगों के साथ क्या ही बातें करें, पता नहीं है ये, मतलब you don't know what to do, you know.
Yeah.
But it was them who took the first
Correct.
step, who made us so comfortable, who also respected the fact that they want to be in this mind space,
Yeah.
gave us that
Yeah.
space. It's beautiful. The way they function, even ma'am, the way all of them
Yeah.
function, it's mind blowing.
Yeah.
So much to learn.